It's a great day to be alive, and today we're going to be playing Silly Sausage. I just saw it on the App Store, and I was like, oh, that's a pretty cool game. So, here we go. Okay. Let's get out of here. Okay. It looks pretty hard, but I got to level 8. Okay. So, how in the... Okay, I see how we're gonna do this. Oh, crud. Oh no. Okay, let's get going. Alright. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. No. Oh my goodness. It's so complicated. I love the way it is. It's just so awesome. So they separate right there. Ah, no. Well, at least we got the diamond, so we don't have to worry about that. Or the emerald. I don't even know what it is. Okay, here we go. One right. Ooh. No, we're not gonna go until that's that. No! Oh! Okay, so this level is clearly... Okay, we got that. Woo! Okay, so I guess that's the next level. Woo! Alright, here we go. Going through the pipe like Mario. Woo! Oh wait, we might wanna... Yeah, I don't know, I don't have enough. Dang it! Come on. So that's going to suck. Okay, so when we die... Ooh, okay, so that means we gotta go through this pipe. Kind of weird. No! I was going straight into a trap. I didn't have enough money to buy, but now I do. I have enough diamonds to buy. Okay, come on! Whoa! Got that. Okay, that wasn't that hard. Okay. Once you get a technique, it's not bad. Okay. So we want to go through the top pipe. So we went through the top pipe. No! So we gotta go up. I fell for it again. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh, here we go. Alright, here we go. There we go! We just did it! Can't really get up. Key. Woo! Alright, so I think we're ready. Okay. So apparently the silly sausage guy is like crazy. Okay. No, we're not. We're not gonna fall for that again. Go through here. Go down here. Oh! We got the level 10! Wow! Come on. I can't die, okay? I can't die. Because I would suck. Okay. Oh my gosh, I wish my dog could do that. That's kind of funny. I'm gonna stick to the bottom. Hey there, Mr. Anometer. Hey there, Mr. Okay, we got one. No! Okay. Okay, I got that. Okay, go down here. Just keep on going. Oop, almost fell for that. Okay. Yes! I can pay now. Cool. Here we go. Alright guys, this will be all for this video. Please tune in for the next. Goodbye.